box in a portable power station, fully tested. Capacity 300 watts power output, 12 plus hours running a 15 watts clip fan, 3 hours running a PC, 23-inch LCD monitor and 15 watts clip fan, 12 plus hours running a 15 watts clip fan, 4 hours running a 50 watts AC stand fan. No noticeable heating or overheating while in use. 3 to 4 hours to fully charge using free AC adapter charger, free small solar panel for solar charging. Built-in 96,000 milliamp hours ternary lithium-ion batteries.
Read below for more information. Read below for more information. Read below for